Okay, good old Steersmarts. Another shitty bushing here on the, I guess they call this the inner end. That's connected to the Pitman arm. $155 for that piece. Yeah, I couldn't be more disappointed with Steersmarts. I mean, just not that good. This is the RPM 2.5 ton tie rod. This has been a champ. Obviously, the aluminum bends and it just goes right back to normal. All of this steel shit and these rotten Steersmart ends. Dan's had nothing but problem. Changed him 2 or 3 times myself. Basically, I was getting a lot of clunking in my steering when I turned the wheel to the left and the right. And I had all of 1/8 of an inch of movement in this outer or inner end right here. So anyway, that's what's going on today. All right, I finally got that joint to drop down. I had 2 hammers, you know, I had one up against the left side while I was hitting the right side of the Pitman arm. You know, just to try not to jolt the steering box. At the end of the day, a bunch of rapid, carpenter's hammer, a bunch of rapid hits, and she dropped down, so we'll get that off. I took the rubber boot off. Obviously, the little washer in there. Joint moves pretty easy. I had about 15/16 of space, shoulder to shoulder. I took a measurement, approximately center to center, to get me in the ballpark when I get the new end here. It was 40 1/4 inches. So loosen this up with a 15 mil and an 18. Gonna unthread this. You can see you got quite a bit of thread in there. And this whole end is coming tomorrow. So I got a brand new Pitman arm end for my Steersmarts drag link. All right, one Steersmarts drag link. They call it inner end. This is the Pitman end, Pitman arm end. And yeah, I can move this joint easy peasy. Obviously gonna clean the knuckle end up here, and that'll go back in, and we'll get an approximate length. And then, like so many times, I will take it for a ride and adjust it and get my steering wheel centered nicely. And a new end should remove the terrible clunking sound. I had that much play in the joint every time I turned left and right. So good find, an obvious find, as long as you got 2 people. And stand by. New end coming tomorrow. Kudos to Extreme Terrain. Brand new drag link end. Gonna thread that in. With my Jeep, I'm sadly enough, many times I have to adjust this drag link. I'll wheel hard, and on my way home, my steering wheel will be off a little bit. Kind of drives me crazy. Not really sure why that is, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to put any, for the amount of times that I'm always adjusting this thing, I don't think I'm going to put any lubricant on those threads right there. So I'm just going to get that threaded in and get it closed, tighten it up. Okay, you can see the new drag link end on the Pitman arm right there. Very nice. Of course, I took it for a ride and had to adjust the drag link another 180 degrees, but it was in the ballpark. So she's steering pretty good. Tighten that up a little bit. Oh yeah, Recon 1 needs some love, man. She needs some love. Yes, sir. Yes, it does.